This is the public speaking application from the APK group. Our goal was to create an application to aid amateur public speakers in practicing for an oral presentation. Currently, users in our target audience are limited to practicing by themselves in front of a mirror to improve their speaking style, and we feel that we can do better. Our application provides users with valuable feedback about their presentations in real time that they would otherwise be unlikely or unable to monitor with current techniques. This includes alerting them to unwanted gestures and words, bad posture, and excessive body motion. From the beginning, we wanted to create an application that was easy to both learn and navigate. Our original design saw us implementing large buttons that contain descriptions of their various uses. However, during our user testing, we found that these descriptions were more detrimental than helpful. Users were able to navigate based solely on the titles of each button, and the descriptions only served to clutter the screen and make everything more difficult to read. It was also our original intent to have the real-time alerts be very discreet so as not to startle or distract the user, but users didn't even notice when they performed something wrong and requested that the alerts be made much more noticeable. They had no problem with being distracted or disturbed with more noticeable messages, and having clearer errors made them more aware of mistakes during the presentation. To begin using the application, a user will first navigate to the settings page where they can customize the different aspects of their presentation. For each setting, the user will be prompted for their input and the information will be saved to use during the presentation. The first setting our user creates is an unwanted gesture.
Okay. Hands on hips.
Next, he sets the range of motion in which his body will be kept. Once they're ready, the user can then begin the presentation. If at any time during the presentation, the user breaks one of their custom rules, they will be alerted. The user is also made aware of the overall time of the presentation by a running clock in the corner. Once they're done, the user can end the presentation by raising their hands above their head. They are then taken to a page that gives an overall description of their performance, which can be saved for later review. These saved presentations can then be viewed later on by the user at their leisure. From the beginning, we wanted to allow users to add unwanted words and monitor them during their presentation, but the Connect Speech SDK is spotty to say the least. For our final product, we were forced to forego fully implementing speech recognition, but with more time and improved software, we would like to have that included in our application. In addition, while it was our intent to allow users to save presentations for later viewing, we hit great difficulty in saving and encoding video. It has been mentioned, however, that in the next release of the Connect SDK, there will be built-in video recording, which we would like to implement. As it stands now, users currently only receive the text results of their presentation.